You nervous?
You should know who's in it.
Got you.
Sometimes I put my shades on just so you can't see my pain. Other times I'm screaming flame on. I fly away to my hideaway and I'm higher now and I'm kinda lame. But this tent got me so hidden that you think I'm Scottie Pippen. Way I'm assisting your thoughts that me and you are not that different. Truth is I might be real depressed. If you could see all this emptiness, you'd be real impressed. For me to lift all this heaviness, I'd be real obsessed. With bodybuilding and steroids would have to fill my chest. Instead I take a Sharpie and I black out all my windows. Grab a set of any car keys and I go wherever wind blows. I don't let you see the inside. The percent of 10 has been 5. It's just me, myself, and I inside the glass. And man, we been fine. Stepped, I'm lying. I've been trying to confide in someone since I found that life without transparency equals death on the inside. Oh Lord, I need some clarity. Will you be there for me to help me rinse this sin off? Take this 10 off, put a spare on me. Yeah, I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it. I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it. I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it. I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it. Took the tint off the 91, yeah, so I could see the shiny sun. Yeah, I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it. You should know who's in it. Heart too dark, especially when the world keep throwing shade. Heart to heart, face to face, it's the only way. I'm dealing with some villains that be killing, dealing every day. But still I keep them hidden behind this 10 I got in every shade. That's 5%. The other 95's Allen Iverson. But I can't see the answer cause I hide from him. Do steam irons, teach flat irons how to get the wrinkles up. Cause iron sharpens iron once you think about it. Don't just speak, boy, be about it. All those words you speak might just release a brother deep in violence, deep in bondage, deep in silence. You could show him peace and how it's steeped in freedom, freely got him. In the way of Jesus, defeated the beast with peace and righteousness, bliss. Please remember all this. Redeemed we are by his stripes, betrayed he was by a kiss. That means I need you to be real with me. Correct me if you see fit, yeah, and help me take off all of my tint, yeah. I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it. I don't even tint it, you should know who's in it.